Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the fruit verbena pie in Heartopia. So Heartopia right now has a new event that called Modular Street, and in this event you can cook lots of new special recipe. One of them is this fruit verbena pie. And to cook this recipe is very easy. First, just go to your brick serving card like this. You can craft it first, and after that, just tap on it, and then next, just choose this recipe. You can just get this recipe from the NPC Masimo. You can buy it from him. And then next, just complete all the ingredients. You need butter, and then eggs, and then the lemon verbena that you can get it from the gardening hobby, and then fruit. And then after that, just tap start cooking like this. Like this. Just like that, your fruit verbena pie is ready. And okay, that's how you can cook this fruit verbena pie. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.